Welcome to the Creality 3D Scanner Sermoon P1. This video covers the unboxing and basic scanning. Before scanning, make sure to remove the protective film from the scanner lens, as leaving it on may affect accuracy and scan results. Please remove the screen protective film for a better viewing experience. There are wrist strap holes on the left and right sides of the bottom of the scanner. Attach the wrist strap through these holes to help prevent the scanner from slipping out of your hand, and protect it from accidental drops. The port on the right side of the scanner is the battery compartment. To remove the battery, press the buttons on both sides inward. The battery will automatically pop out and can be taken out. Push the battery to the left until you hear a click, indicating the battery is properly installed. Take the charger from the package and plug it into the port on the left side of the scanner to start charging. If the battery level is below 20% or the scanner fails to power on, please fully charge it first for a better user experience. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Activation is required on first startup. Follow the on-screen instructions to set the system language. Connect to a Wi-Fi network and agree to the service agreement to begin activation. Log in to your Creality Cloud account. If you don't have an account yet, please register first, and then log in. Set a 6-digit power-on password. The device is now successfully activated. Watch the startup scanning video, and the scanning guidance screens. For first-time use, it is recommended to perform calibration to achieve better scanning accuracy. Tap Calibration on the left side of the home page to enter the calibration interface. First, scan the QR code on the back of the calibration board to bind the board. Follow the on-screen calibration guide to complete the calibration process. Next, we will demonstrate the basic scanning process using blue lasers. Blue lasers offer high accuracy and are suitable for scanning industrial parts. However, reflective markers need to be attached. First, create a new project. Before scanning, randomly place reflective markers on the surface of the object. Keep the scanner at the optimal distance from the object to be scanned, then tap Start. The crossline mode is suitable for fast scanning. Move the scanner to fully capture the object. When the color turns dark blue, it indicates good quality. Switch to parallel line mode. This mode is suitable for detailed scanning. Move to the specific area that requires fine detail, and scan it. When the color turns dark blue, it indicates good quality. Switch to single line mode. This mode is suitable for scanning deep holes. Move to the deep hole area that needs to be scanned and capture it. When the color turns dark blue, it indicates good quality. Perform fusion. Set the resolution to perform point cloud fusion and generate a high-quality model. Perform meshing and complete the model processing. When generating the mesh, the target number of triangles can be adjusted. Select the desired triangle count to generate the model. Infrared scanning is suitable for objects with rich features or textures, such as the human body or artworks. It can be performed without attaching reflective markers. We use a peacock as an example to demonstrate infrared scanning. Open Settings and switch to Infrared Medium Object Mode. Aim the scanner at the object, keep it at the optimal distance, and tap Start. Move slowly to fully capture the object. When the color turns dark green, it indicates good quality. Perform fusion. Smaller resolution results in finer model details, while larger resolution enables faster processing. Perform meshing. Adjust the target triangle count during mesh generation, and select the desired value to generate the model. Small holes generated during scanning can be filled to create a more complete model. Tap Texture to perform color mapping. (1) Open the Creality Sermoon software on your computer. 2. Use the original data cable included in the package to connect the device to your computer. 3. After the connection is successful, select Data Sharing Mode in the pop-up window on the device. 4. The computer will display the device page and open the Data Sharing data panel. 5. In the panel, select the project S you want to import to the computer. 6. Import complete. 1. Use the original data cable and securely connect it to the scanner. 2. Plug the other end into a high-speed USB 3.0 port on your computer to ensure stable data transmission. 3. Confirm the connection mode on the device and select Scan Connection. 4. Launch the PC software and get ready to start scanning. You can check update information and upgrade the device on the software update page in Settings. The system checks for updates periodically by default. Ensure the device is connected to Wi-Fi. If an update notification appears, follow the instructions to complete the upgrade. This concludes the unboxing and scanning demo of the Sermoon P1. Subscribe to our channel for more professional scanning tips and practical tutorials.